Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today I did a look, where's my palette? Oh! With the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. You guys all know what it looks like on the inside, because everybody loves the Too Faced palette. And, yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look using that palette, I'm trying to go through some palettes that I just haven't used in a long time. Number one, to see do I still want them, and number two, just to give them some love. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. We are going to do another Too Faced look. This time with the chocolate, the iconic chocolate bar palette. So, this is what the palette looks like on the inside, and as you can see, I hardly ever used it. My eyes look a little bit from the previous look. It's hard to film several eye looks over and over again. So, we're gonna dive right in, and we'll put that white chocolate. You guys are so familiar with this palette. I know I don't have to tell you where stuff is. I will anyway. The white chocolate will be our base. And then she said, and then we will put salted caramel in our transition. That's salted caramel. This is going to be another easy look. Yes, salted caramel. Very light. See a little hair like flipping over. No, you got to go that way. No, you got to go that way. Don't. Nope, nope. Stand. Stand with everybody else, please. See, my back is falling. The intent is for it to all come forward. We're having some problems. It's okay. Nothing we can't fix. So, here we go. I am going to actually start out with the champagne truffle, which is right here. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. And we're going to go on the inner part of our eye. We're going to build backwards this time. Let's see how that shader brush does. I don't even see it. My eyes are deceiving me. Did I not bring one out? Maybe not. This is not a shader brush, but I'm using it anyway. Go ahead. Somebody comment below I'm using the wrong brush. I want you to. So we can have a conversation about what's your business and my business. Just kidding. Oh, I found my shader brush. See what happens when I get sassy. Alright, I'm going to go into Amaretto, and I'm going to start to build back. Building back, building back. Let's see how this goes on. Some of these are like, I gotta work it up, kick it up, kick the dust up. There we go, fallout. I can feel it on my face. Just blend that a little bit. It's got fallout because it's all powdery. It's okay when it gets in my mouth. I taste cocoa. Coco, Coco Cabana. I'm a little bit of rare form today, just excuse me. Coco, Coco Cabana. It's not even what the song is, Susan. Not even. If I wet this brush, it wouldn't have so much fallout. What a concept. Okay. We're going to go in with this little brush that I got in my BoxyCharm, and we are going to go into Cherry Cordial, and we're going to put that in the outer V and up into the crease. Coco. I don't know if I like that. But I'm so distracted by the fallout on my face. I don't think I like this technique for application. I feel like I need to do my whole, I don't know. I got a lot of cocoa in my mouth. Put some of that Cherry Cordial under my eyes. This is like a very, very simple, everyday look. This is not anything fancy. I feel like every time I film, I do something that's a little bit over the top. And not everybody can wear that like that. Or at least not to work. I have the luxury that I can pretty much wear, put whatever I want on my makeup. Alright guys, we are going to put a little bit of a dark lip on. Let's see what I can find. A dark lip. Maybe we'll use this Kat Von D. It's pretty dark. That's what it looks like. It's pretty vampy. Vampy it is. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back in a minute to film a Jeffree Star palette I had to have that I've really been neglecting. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Mwah.